Incoming materials are scanned to establish traceability and inventory control.
Incoming quality control verifies critical components before release to production.
The SMT line is configured and verified before the first board is built.
A first article board validates the SMT process before full production.
Automated optical inspection verifies placement and solder quality. With approval complete, the line transitions to controlled mass production. Inline inspection screens out defects before downstream assembly.
Minor SMT defects are corrected at a dedicated rework station.
Reinspection confirms the board meets quality requirements.
Depaneling separates boards safely for downstream assembly.
Buffered boards ensure smooth transfer to electrical testing.
Boards are sorted immediately based on test results.
Functional testing confirms the board operates as designed.
Vision inspection confirms assembly completeness before enclosure closure. Ultrasonic welding creates a strong, consistent enclosure seal. A short stabilization period ensures weld integrity before handling. Safety testing ensures electrical insulation and grounding compliance.
Connectivity tests confirm reliable wireless operation. Units that fail end-of-line tests are isolated for controlled review.
Retested units must pass all requirements before release.
Fully approved units are released to the packaging process.
Accessories are prepared to ensure a complete customer package.
The retail carton protects and presents the finished product.
Sealing ensures the product reaches customers unopened and intact.
Labeled cartons maintain traceability through distribution. Weight checks confirm correct pack counts and contents.
Automated palletizing ensures stable, repeatable loads.
Wrapped pallets are stabilized for safe transport and storage.
Staging organizes pallets ahead of warehouse storage or shipment.
Racked storage protects inventory and maximizes space efficiency.
Electronic scrap is separated to support compliant recycling.
Sorted electronic waste is prepared for certified recycling.
Plastic scrap is segregated to enable material recovery.
Packaging waste is compacted for efficient recycling.
Non-recyclable waste is contained for licensed disposal.
Loads are secured and sealed to protect product integrity in transit.
Shipment data is confirmed to close the production order.
Finished products leave the factory through controlled logistics channels.
Performance data is reviewed to support continuous improvement.
The completed line reflects a controlled, repeatable manufacturing process.
Controlled storage protects sensitive electronic components. Organized fixtures support fast, error-free changeovers. Archive data ensures traceability and compliance.
Documented maintenance supports equipment reliability and uptime. Standardized instructions reinforce consistent assembly quality.
Routine safety checks protect workers and equipment.
A clean, cleared line signals readiness for the next build. Cycle counts confirm inventory accuracy after production completion. Orders are consolidated to match customer shipping requirements.
Approved pallets are released back to outbound staging. Consistency check. Inspection release maintains controlled outbound quality assurance.
Our yield for the run hit 98%. We still need to focus on this top defect category here, ensuring containment.
Clear actions ensure issues are addressed before the next run. Clearing rework areas prevents carryover issues to the next build.
The Era 300 run is officially complete and signed off.
Quality checks look solid across the board.
Great. I'll initiate the transfer to the warehouse immediately.
An idle line confirms all boards have exited the process.
Final assembly is fully cleared after pack-out completion.
The factory stands ready for the next scheduled production.
Environmental controls are verified to protect equipment and materials.
The facility rests in a controlled state, awaiting the next run.
Archived records preserve compliance and traceability.
Compliance confirmation ensures products meet regulatory requirements.
A final walkthrough validates overall production closure. Packaging materials are replenished to prepare for the next build.
Only serviceable pallets are prepared for future shipments. Packaging consumables are checked to prevent future line stops. Clean aisles maintain safety and material integrity. Housekeeping supports compliant warehouse operations. Secure docks protect inventory during non-shipping periods.
Waste areas are verified to remain compliant and orderly.
Documentation ensures responsible waste handling and traceability.
The warehouse supports controlled storage and distribution.
Finished goods stand ready for scheduled shipment.
A clean, orderly factory reflects a fully completed production cycle.
Final dock checks ensure safety and readiness for future loads. System status confirms stable factory conditions.
Operations conclude with all processes safely closed.
The completed cycle leaves the factory ready for the next build.